Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review for all you trading card enthusiasts out there. We found the Yu-Gi-Oh! 2022 tin of the Pharaohs gods online and have added a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Cards 2022 tin of the Pharaohs gods is a must-have for both collectors and players alike. This beautifully designed tin features some of the most iconic characters and themes from the beloved Yu-Gi-Oh! Series, making it not just a storage solution, but also a collectible piece in its own right. One of the standout features of this tin is that it includes 3 Prismatic Secret Rare cards. These rare cards are known for their stunning holographic finish and unique artwork, which can elevate your gameplay and collection. In addition to these rare finds, the tin contains a variety of booster packs, giving you the chance to enhance your deck with new cards, strategies, and powerful monsters. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a dedicated Yu-Gi-Oh! Player, this tin is a fantastic way to bolster your card collection. The Prismatic Secret Rares and booster packs can help you build stronger decks and increase your chances of winning during duels. Furthermore, collectors will appreciate the artistic design and the nostalgia that this tin brings, making it a valuable addition to any collection. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for this tin. For players, this is an excellent resource for deck building and refining strategies. You can use the cards you pull from the booster packs to create powerful combinations and surprise your opponents. Moreover, if you're participating in tournaments or local dueling events, having a well-rounded deck can make a significant difference in your performance. For collectors, the Yu-Gi-Oh! 2022 tin of the Pharaohs gods serves as a beautiful display piece as well as a protective case for your most prized cards. The tin itself is durable and stylish, making it ideal for showcasing your collection. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting your journey in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Universe, this tin offers something for everyone. In conclusion, the Yu-Gi-Oh! 2022 tin of the Pharaohs gods is more than just a product, it's a gateway to new experiences in the Yu-Gi-Oh! World. With its inclusion of Prismatic Secret Rares and booster packs, it caters to both players looking to enhance their gameplay and collectors wanting to add something special to their shelves. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget